If you're speaking on mute.
Sorry, sir. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, screen is visible.
Okay. So I've done the program. So I'll be explaining reverse of the arrays program. So first what I did is I got the size of the array from the user by using scanner class. And after that, I also got the elements dynamically by using the for loop. And after getting the elements, what I did was to print the array in a reversed order. I'm running a for loop. So basically, I took the last element as first. So j is equal to n minus 1 because all array always starts from 0. So I took here as n minus 1. And after that, I'm giving the condition as j should be greater than or equal to 0 because since it is printing in a reversed order, so the number should be, it will reduce to 0. So I'll be giving j greater than or equal to 0 and I'm giving post decrement. So when I'm printing it, it will be printing in the reversed order. So I'll be running the program. So I'll be giving elements of the array as like 6 and elements as like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it has reversed the array 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6.
Awesome, thank you. You have reversed the array. Awesome. Just add the code in the description. I think people can follow.
Sure.
So
Thank
thank you, Dharani. So apart from Dharani, anyone else want to share the code?
Okay, I'll share.
Okay. So Divya has done. Okay. So tell the program.
Yeah, this is a maximum array. To find the maximum array, here I had given int numbers. This many numbers I had given. Like I'm assuming that the first number is maximum, and then I'm giving I is equal to 1, and if I is lesser than number length, increment I plus plus, and if number I is greater than max, then that number will become max, like that. So for example, like index is 25, like I is equal to 1, I is lesser than the number of length is 6, it is true. Again, it will come inside a loop. Number I is, I means like 2 I had taken, 47 is greater than, like maximum value I had considered as a 25. Yes, it is true. Then the maximum number will become 47. Again, it will go for increment. Then it will increment to the second index. So high value will be high is 2 is equal to number of s. The 2 index is lesser than length 6. Again, it will enter, like that it will come, and then the highest number as per this loop, it will print the highest number here.
Okay, executed.
Yeah, executed, sir. The highest number in the array is 88.
Okay, just change for the people to see. Just change one or two values and type the highest one in two values. You can change.
Yeah, it changed. 100 now. Highest value. Highest
Okay,
element
good.
in the array is 100.
Okay, good, Nana. Thank you. You just add the code there in the description. Good. So anyone else? So Nana, Dharni, anyone else? I think Divya has shared the code. That's good. So anyone else want to share the screen and tell the program? No one? Okay. So is it tough? How you guys are finding the array concepts? Good or tough?
Good. I have doubt on this search an element in an array. One more program you have given, no?
Okay.
Can I just show that once?
Okay. Search element anyone has done, or do you want me to explain?
So I have done so.
You have done, okay, then you can share the program. The program, let's see if you have doubts, we'll see.
Sure, sir. So I'll share the code.
Share the code. Okay, not an issue. So if you guys need that explanation, I can share my screen itself. Not an issue at all. I'll do that. Give me a second. Okay. See here, I'm sharing the screen. I'll explain simple concept. I think people can understand. Okay. So, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm deleting the entire thing. So how do we write an array? Let's say int a equal to, I'm just assigning like this, 1, 2, 3, 10, 8. Okay, something like this. Okay, I'm giving a semicolon here. So I want a value of g equal to int g equal to, let's say 8, something like that. I'm dynamically giving. You guys can give through a scanner element. So how do we loop through an array? How do you loop through an array?
For
All right.
for
Okay, tell me int I equal to 0, I less than
Equals to array dot
length.
a dot
A
length,
dot
dot length.
length. A dot
Okay.
length.
Plus,
I
okay.
plus plus.
Okay, now to search an element, let's say if I can add a condition here, if g equal to e of I.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say I'll take one more variable here. Boolean flag equal to false. So I'm just taking a variable which is a boolean here. I'm giving a value as false. Hide it. Now, so if we find it, let's type this out. element found sound, and we can easily add G equal to something like this, A of I. And so let's say it is 8, okay? Sometimes we let's say if you want to find 2 value, okay? And the loop will run till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? What you have to do, you have to break it, because to make sure code is optimized, to make sure the code is effective. I don't want, like, let's say the loop is like the array is like 100 numbers. Okay, it has to go through each and everything. Once it finds, just come out. Okay, and also we'll add flag equal to true. Okay, now element found, right? So once this loop ends, now once it is break, just set a condition here. If flag equal to true, element found, else element not found. Okay, easy till now. Any doubts? Understood the code, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just let me run this. Element found, which is 2 equal to, if I give any other which is not there, let me give 90, right? Element not found. Good to the program. Any doubts still here?
No.
Good. Okay, what was the other program? I think one more program was there. I'll add this program for the people to copy. So apart from this, guys, you guys are understanding, right? This is just simple concepts to make you understand properly. Okay.
Sir, here can you explain this 14th line flag equals to true? In 10th line you wrote false.
Okay.
This 10th and 14th.
Okay, I'll explain here. Okay. So I'm just taking value. Though what will the values of Boolean? How many values it will be?
Two values, true or
Right?
false.
True or false. So
Hmm.
basically, I'm giving false initially. Right. Imagine like this, okay? So let's say you're going for buying a ticket for a movie, right? So it's a first day, first show. What will be in your mind? You may or may not get it, right? As simple as that. Imagine this flag is a movie ticket value, first day, first show of a particular hero. I'll not define any hero, right? So initially you'll go false. If you get the ticket, oh, you will get the ticket. So if you find the, let's say the counter and it has any vacant seats, you'll get the ticket. Similarly, flag initially I'm keeping as false, making sure I will not get the ticket. But if the loop finds it, if this is the counter, which finds I'm giving the flag equal true. Why giving the flag equal true? So that this variable will have some value, so that once the loop is ended, I'm just checking the value here based on this particular variable. Get the value?
Yes, sir.
Understood. So any other doubts in the program? Any other doubts in the program?
No, sir. Clear now.
So let me copy this. Let me add it here. In the chat, please do copy this program. Now, this is done. Shall we start two-dimensional array or multi-dimensional array?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. Let
Sir,
me.
you said like
Yeah.
you'll teach in strings for this one dimensional array.
So you want me to teach strings?
Yeah, in this.
Okay, you want a string example. Okay, good. So yesterday I had given an example of strings, but you want me to print, I can show one example. Okay. I have given the program, copy this program, guys. Okay. So let's say I delete this one. So let's say string names, and is this correct, or should I give here only? Anywhere it's okay?
Yeah.
Good, right? Okay. So I'll just write string names. So instead I have to take two names, I'll just take test and test1, test2, okay, or test3. So let's say if you want to find a given element in this array. Similar example. So okay, let me copy the same code here. From here, I'll copy the entire thing. So instead of names, instead of G, I'll just write string, and I want to find test2. Okay, based on a string array. Test2, and imagine same guys, test2 and this test2 are not equal. Okay, it should be an exact match. For this and this to be equal, we have to use string methods that we'll see in the future. Okay, again I'll take boolean equal to false. Instead of a, I'll just go names dot length. Okay, and I'll just write names of I and names of I here. That's it. Okay, let me run this. Element found test2 equal test2. Let's say if I give 4, ELE not found, right? Good
Yes.
guys. Okay. So Nana, okay on that. I think Nana, Pavitra, someone asked. Pavitra asked the names function. This is, are we good? Okay, good. So this is a simple string one. So you can expand to a number of things. So declaration wise, everything we have seen in the previous class. Okay. Just go through whenever I give the notes, right? Just go through everything and try to understand the concepts. Okay. Good. So let's start multi-dimensional array, which is more than one. Okay. Let me add the class. I'll just add multi-dimension AR array. Now, if you remember yesterday's class, right, how we have done declaration and all. So in the same way, how we have defined single dimension array, right? Can you tell me how we can write multi-dimension array? Or maybe let's start with 2. Let us not go in a complex way. We'll see 1, we'll see 2. Multi-dimension you can easily copy. We'll see one more example. Okay. Tell me how we can declare an array of 2 dimensions. Just looking in the 6th line.
Two braces we can add.
Okay. Tell me the syntax now. Int
Int A of B of.
So let's say I'll just take B because you already have taken. Okay. So you can say off, but preferably you say just square brackets.
Square brackets.
One. How many I have to give?
One more
One
square
more,
bracket.
is there?
Yes.
One more.
Yes.
Okay.
Open
good.
close.
Good. New int of.
Two
Good.
braces. Yes.
Now, what do you want me the size should be?
2 and 3.
Okay, 2 and 3. Good. Now, in the previous example, we have seen the length, right? 2 and 3. Okay. How we will write the length here? Any idea?
Two is the inner memory. So for the 2, it will take 3 again, means 1, 2, 3.
Okay, just for the time being, let's go one step deeper. Okay, just to understand. Okay, first can I write like this? B0 0 equal to 1. Can I assign a value?
Yes, sir.
Remember 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. So this is, let's say, rows, and these are columns. Just imagine like that. Okay. So now, how will you write like this? 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So for example, okay, let me open the Paint. Not Paint. I want an Excel.
Sheet Excel.
Okay, and let's. Do I have an Excel sheet? Oh, nice. I do have an Excel sheet. Good. Let me try to open that. Just for you to understand properly how many are there. Okay, so 2 rows. Okay, 3 columns. How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
6
5, 6.
values.
6 values.
But array starts with 0, right?
0.
So how many will be there?
5.
So you have given 2. So this is the upper limit. Okay, so this is the upper limit of rows. This is the upper limit of columns. Okay. If you have 5, it will count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So upper limit 2 means how many? What will be the count? What will be the values?
0, 1.
0, 1. Correct. Correct. So upper limit is 3 means what will be the value of the columns?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
That's it. This is what you have to understand. Okay. So it will come 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Like this you have to understand. Okay. Now I'll just put here just 1, right? Imagine this is 0 and this is 1. So 0, 1 and this is 0, 1, 2. So totally it should be 3 values, 6 values totally. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Till this point you understood, right? 2-dimensional.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. If you understood this, and then it's very, very easy. Now, let me close this. Let us concentrate here. Now, so to write this, how can I use loop? Nested for or single for?
Nested for.
Nested.
Nested for. Are we good with nested for? Now. So let's add nested for. So I will explain the concept of a dot length, whatever we use. For multi-dimension, how we'll use, we'll understand. Okay. So now if int I equal to, should start from 0 or 1?
0.
0, right? Okay. 0 dot
Length.
length. See, sorry. I equal to 0.
Here.
I less than
Less than
2. For now, because this is the value you're taking, what exactly we'll use dynamically, I'll tell you. Okay. I'll tell you in a minute. I plus plus, right?
Yes.
So should I use another for loop?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. I'll just add. So the office is over, but still getting a lot of pings. That's all right. So let's say J starts from 0 or 1. 0?
0.
0.
Okay.
0.
So J less than 3.
3.
Okay. So now J plus plus.
Plus, plus.
Okay. What now? How will you write?
Sys out.
So first we have to assign some values. Okay. Okay. First we'll see what is there in how many elements will be printed. Okay. Let's say I'll put this out. It should be 2 minus 1 or 2?
2 only.
2 only. So this, if it is 2,
No.
so it will take 0.
0. No,
2 minus 1.
0, 1.
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1, right?
Yes.
So it should run how many times? 2 times, right?
2 times.
So it will run for 0. It will run for 1.
1.
When it comes to 2, it will go off.
Go out.
So that's how we're doing, right? This pi means length dot length minus 1. Okay. For
Yes.
example, length is 5, it should come till 4. Okay, so let's take B of I, B of J.
So,
Okay, let's see. Only we have given one value here, so it should only print 1. Okay, let's see first. First, we'll get values here. See, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values we got. Now, you tell me how we can assign B I of J values based on I and J. How will assign? It's easy only, no? Think, guys. Easy only. Come on. Okay. If it is tough by just adding that, shall we use scanner class to assign values? Just to make sure a little bit dynamically we can use. Shall we do it? Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm not using static Y here. I'm not using static in the 6th line. Why?
because we are writing that in inside the static method.
Yeah, that's why we are not doing using static. So we'll just import this. So now I want 2 dynamic values, right? Or 1 dynamic value?
Two dynamic
Two
value.
dynamic.
2 dynamic values. Okay. Let me just add sysout enter upper limit value. So now this will be some, let's say, x value, int x equal to scan dot next int, right? So this x value I will give here. So this one will give y value. Similarly, I'll copy this entire thing. So in this way, loop will become dynamic, right? And we can assign the values. Lower limit. Now, shall we want to, do you want to enter the elements? So I was just asking how to define, right? Okay. Can I give like this? Can I give like this? Will this work? How many times this will ask me? Before this, I'll type this out, enter elements in array. Now, is it correct? I'll remove this also. So guys, understood till this part? No? Yes?
A little confusing, sir.
Little confusing. Okay, chala. This is what x value, right?
Yes.
This is the upper limit of array.
Okay.
Now, again, let's go to Excel. Let's go to basics. I didn't even know that I have an Excel in this particular laptop. So I'm using Mac. So, but for majority of the people use Windows. So I opened this. Oh, it's my old laptop, by the way. You can see even the Excel is 2010 here. Okay. So imagine this is rows and columns. So we'll see one 3-dimension also. Don't confuse there, okay? Just understand this. So when we had 2-dimensional array, you understand 2 dimensions, right? First dimensions you understand, right? Length, breadth. In physics, 1 dimension is 1, 0 dimension is dot, 2 dimension is length, breadth, 3 dimension is length, breadth, height, something like that, right?
Breadth.
Till understood? So we're in 2 dimension, we'll only see length, breadth.
Breadth.
So now, so to understand the size of the entire array, just to multiply this one. If it is 2 and 3, total should be
6.
6,
6.
right? So I should be less than x, j should be less than y. So if it is let's say 4 and 5, okay, just to come like this, 4, 5. How many values?
20.
20. So the array will contain 20 elements if it is 4 and 5. What if it is 6 and 5? 2, 3, 4,
30.
5, 6. 30?
Yes.
Till this point, okay? Understood? Easy. Now, you have the same concept of this in diagrammatical format in this loop. Now, let me run this. What you want the upper limit should be? Give less only because you have to enter also. Okay.
3.
What? How much?
3.
3. Chalo. What is the lower limit?
2.
4.
4. 3, 4. So 3 into 4, how many values?
12.
12, right? We have to enter 12 values. So enter elements in array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Oh, sorry, 98. 0. Again, I'm adding 0 means 10, 11, 12. Enter. It entered, but I'm not printing here. Okay. I'm not printing the value. So I have to run it again. That sucks anyway. Okay, sorry. Let me print also. So now to print, how will I print? Shall I print here itself? It will give 1 by 1 value. Okay.
Yes.
But I want it to be printed properly. So shall I take another loop like the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. So another loop, which is a nested loop. So why I'm not getting error? I have defined int twice y.
Out of block.
So the scope of I is in this for only. So this I is a local variable for this loop, and this I is a local variable for this loop. Understand that, guys? Okay. Now, understood? You have to ask doubts, guys. Come on, it's easy only. If you have doubts, please ask. Okay, I'm always ready to answer. Doesn't matter anytime. Okay. Ooh, I am not getting this out. No proposals. Okay, no problem. Am I outside? No, right? Chalo. Where is system.out? Let's copy this. Wait. I don't want to waste time. It's not a print and I want to. Okay. So to print it properly, I'll put B plus this one plus, and this is just, if it is confusing, let me know. Okay, I'm just adding it. Okay, I'm just concatenating everything for it to look proper. So this will be I value. Now, similarly, I have to add J value. So J value also should be dynamic. So I have to give like this, J plus open bracket plus. Okay. Now, so please now tell me, so very low values only, guys. Okay. If again you have to enter 12 values, give me at least less than 10. Okay. Now tell me the upper limit.
2.
2. Lower limit.
2.
2. So 2 into how many values I have to enter?
4.
4.
4. Chalo. Tell me the first value.
3, 4,
First
5,
one.
6.
3. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm printing the address here. Okay. So this also I have to add in a, instead of B, I have to add in a, wait, I have to add like this. Okay. So the same thing I'll do it again. Okay. So 2 into, so 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Got? I have to put equal also, right? For it to be proper. No, nice. So let me run it again. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So when then the limit is 2, so it is 0, 1. When the limit is 2, it is 0, 1. Now, so similarly, you might have confusion. What will be the limit of, let's say, 1, 3? So 1, 3, how many values will be there? 3.
Three.
So this one will become only 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. So I have to enter 3 values. 3, 4, 5. Understood? Any doubts till this answer? Any doubts?
Sir, can you explain the logic like when we enter this upper limit and lower limit,
Hmm.
the exact how it is calculating and how we are entering the elements there?
Sure. So this one might sound confusing. Okay. You tell me what is the upper limit. Upper limit. Any value. Tell me.
2,
2. Okay. What is the lower limit?
3.
Okay. So upper limit is 2, the rows. Lower limit is 3. Just see the highlighted rows and values. This is rows. These are columns. Okay. Understood, right? How many elements
Yes.
are there?
6.
So it's basically 2 into 3. Now, one more example. Give me big one.
6, 8.
6. Okay, 6. So you can see 6 rows are highlighted. Now go 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till H. 6 8s are how many? 48.
48.
Okay. So when you write 6 here, when you write 8 here, we have to enter 48 elements. So it is little different from the one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array, we are just entering size 5 means only 5 elements will be entered. So when you come for two-dimensional array, the logic little changes. We are using a nested loops to enter values. Till this point, understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubts? Any other doubts?
Sir, just by defining it like 2 dimension, like 2 brackets, like it will multiply, like whatever the number we are giving, it will multiply and it will give the number of elements we need to enter.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
So similar concept comes with 3-dimensionals. Okay, let's say. So I'm just giving you for your reference. Okay, let's say int c equal to 3. Now I just have to write the same thing. So x, y, and z. That's it. So z is not defined. So let us define z. So let me add the third limit. Third limit into z. So I'm not getting an error here. Okay. Similarly, how we can write the z loop? Should I write one more for nested for?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, then I have to write one more nested for int z. I'll just copy this x y. So x y z I j k. It's okay. Now it should have an int value. Let me put int k equal to k less than z, k plus plus. So I have to put one more here, ijk, and it should be c. Now, this is again triple multiplication. Okay, you tell me if I have upper limit 2, lower limit 3, last limit is 4, what will be the array value?
24.
24.
Right? 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 6 into 4, 24. Right? Okay, let's go very basic. Okay, if I have one value in x, one value in y, one value in z, what will be the length of an array?
1. No.
So for 1 it is different.
3, yeah?
No, it
No,
should be
we
3.
will.
Yeah.
It should be 3. It should be
No,
1
sir.
now.
1.
Tell me. So imagine 1, 1, 1, Baba. So array starts with 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the element will be 0, 0, 0.
Right.
Right? Only one. Divya, are correct only. You have to. That's right. If I say something wrong, also to correct me. Okay, good. What if the value is 2, 2, 2? What will be the length of an array?
8.
8.
8. So
8.
this your understanding. This applies for multi-dimensional. If you have 4 dimensions, 5 dimensions, always it will apply. Let's see one example. Okay, let's see one example of 2 to 2. Okay, let's see one simple example. Now, let me put one more for loop. Similar for loop I'll add.
Sir, why
Right.
we are using 2 times, sir, for loops? Above
Okay,
also we had
two-
used nested loop.
Sorry, 2 times
Here
for
we-
using.
yeah.
One to assign the values, one to print the values. For our understanding, we don't have to use 2 times. Okay, this is
There
one for.
itself we can use the system dot out, right?
Yeah,
Like
here also we
above for
can use,
loop.
but it will be print for each and every iteration. So here we are entering 3, 4, 5, and then we are getting the answer like this, right? If we enter
Yeah.
3, this will print. If we enter 4, this will print. So just to give a distinction, that's it. So this for loop, open bracket. See, there is no error here because for loop, if it contains only one statement, no, open bracket, floor bracket is not needed. Okay. So let me print this one as C. Let me print this one as C, I, J, K, K value. And here also I have to put, I think, not equal to, I have to put plus. Okay. I have to put plus. See, I'll not go deeper. Okay, whatever I'll teach. I want you to ask doubts. Okay, don't get confused. It's very simple concept. Very easy. Don't get panicked. It's very easy. Okay, shall we run it? Okay, let me put this one as colon. Okay. Now tell me, we said 2, upper limit, lower limit 2, third limit 2. So enter elements. How many elements should I write? 8 elements.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. We'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. See, you can see the 3-dimensional array. Good.
Yes.
So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, etc. Blah blah blah. So I have the same question, right? If I give 1, 1, 1, 1, what will happen? See, 1, 1, 1. How many elements in array? 1. That's it. Got Divya?
Yes.
Good. So it is basically multiplication only.
Multiplication.
Till this point, any doubts, guys? If you have any doubts, ask me. Come on, this is your chance. We'll see on a few examples, so don't worry. Any doubts till this point? Okay, do you want me to add this code?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll add this code. See, whenever you create a reference variable, right, for scanner class, try to close it. So for me, it is giving an error. Sorry, warning, not an error. Okay. So if you put scan.close, here the memory will be closed. That's it. And that this one will go. The warning is not there. If a variable is not used or where the reference variable or the object is not closed, that thing will come. Okay, let me add this. Okay, for your reference, I'll run one program for you to understand. Then we'll see a different concept. Okay, this is like without the main method and okay, I'll give the entire thing. No issues. Only remove this package and run. Okay, it should work. So for 3-dimensional, I can't explain Excel. Okay, Excel is a 2-dimensional one. So this is rows, this columns. There should be one more column. That's how the dimension works, right? Now, shall we see one program of finding an element? Finding an element of an array?
One confusion, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, like for example, if you are entering 2 and 2, okay, two
2 and
dimension, 2D, 2D,
2 dimension.
2D,
Okay.
yeah, 2 and 2, okay. So
Hmm.
like we are entering 4 inputs, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hmm.
Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 3 will be in row and 4 and 5 will be in columns, or like how it is getting present, sir?
Okay.
Like
So this is 2, right? 2, 3.
right.
Okay. So this element is nothing but A1. It's already written here, right?
Hmm.
A1. Now, okay. So if array is 0, 0, it is A1.
Okay.
It will come with rows basically. So you tell me 0, 1 is what?
0.
0, 1 is 0.
No, sir.
See, the element 0, 0 is this one. Okay.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Element 0, 1.
B1.
B1. Element 1, 1.
1 it will be B2.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So if it is 2 and 3, it comes basically array start with 0. Now you tell
Yes.
me element 1, 1, 1, 2.
1 and
1, 2.
so second row,
2B.
first 2B.
2B. Yeah.
Sir,
Like
can you
second
please write it and show, sir?
2 in the
Yeah.
1.
1, 2 is this one. No. See, this also starts with 0. This also starts with 0. Okay.
Right, right, correct,
So
sir.
if it is 0, what is so tell 1, 2 is what? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take one more example.
1,
Let's have 5 rows, 5 columns. Okay. Now tell me element 4, 4.
So 4 it will be the last one, sir.
Good. See, this
Yes.
is 4th column because it starts with 0. Array starts with 0. And
Yes.
this is the 4th row. Array starts with 0. This 4. Now 4, 3.
Above that,
Okay. 3, 4.
left side.
Okay.
Uh,
3 means this one. 3, 3, 4. 3 means row is 3.
A row is 3, correct.
Row is 3.
Okay. Row is 3. Means here only, right?
Correct,
It
Yes,
should be in
yes.
4.
3.
3, 4. Means this one only.
Right.
So 4, 4 is this. 4, 3 is this. 3, 4 is this.
Okay.
Right, right.
Understood?
Got it. Yes, sir, got it.
Yes, sir.
I don't know how to expand this. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, maybe. Okay, guys. Okay. Now it's one properly visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Sorry, I didn't see that. Okay, now you understanding, right? So
Yes, sir.
A1 is basically this is 0. This
Zero,
is 0.
Right.
Okay. Now if the array has like 2, 2, just highlight 2 rows, 2 rows and 2 columns.
2 columns.
Okay. Now just point out what is 1, 1.
B last box, sir.
Yeah, B2
Yes, sir. B2.
is 1, 1. Okay.
1, 1.
Now you just give me if an array has like 3 rows, 5 columns. Okay. Sorry,
Yeah.
4 rows,
It's
5
4 rows,
columns. Basically, it is 3 into 4. Now, element 3, 4.
Last one, sir.
Last one.
So
1, 2,
this
3.
is third
E4.
row.
Third row and E
This
last.
is
E4.
this is the one. Understood till this point? Any doubts for anyone, guys?
No, sir.
Got it, sir.
Just 1 second. I'll just mail one simple thing. So just come up with the doubts. Come on, guys. I know you're understanding it, but I want more doubts, to be honest. You can follow. We'll start strings also if you are understanding this. Okay. Okay, good. So shall I give one simple example? I'll solve and I'll give one example for you guys to solve. Is it okay? No? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chala. So I'm giving third value also. Let us put only 2-dimensional for now. We can see 3-dimensional little later. Okay. So now You tell me, how do I find a specific element? Searching an element, okay? I already gave an example. It should be similar only. So I'll just remove this. I'll remove this loop. Okay. Instead of B, it should be B. It should be B here. Acha. So let me add one more scanner. Enter the element to search. Okay. So that element you give one positive scenario, one negative scenario. Enter the ELE to search. So I'm giving some X Z value now. Okay. So P of I comma J equal to scan dot next int. So any doubt still here? Good. This was what I explained, right? So after this, so I will also write one more thing. So I'll take a flag, Boolean flag equal to false or true.
False.
False.
Okay, because we are going to a movie theater. We don't know we'll get a ticket or not. Now, you tell me where I have to. Yeah, tell me. Okay, should I use another loop to find? Shall we use another loop?
Sir, if
Yeah, I'll use another loop. Okay, so now if condition here, I don't want to lose this. So if what is the value here? Okay, so element to search Z. Okay, if Z equal to P of I of J. Okay. Now it is little trickier. One break will not work. You have to understand. Okay, that's why we use flag all the time. You're getting? One break will not work here. One break will work. Guys, you there? Okay. First, let me write. I'll explain you guys. If it is tricky, no issues. If you want me to explain entire session till 11 o'clock, I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay. Just see here. I'm just taking an element which I'm calling it here dynamically. Okay. Enter the element to search. So why B of I of J? Because it is 0, 1, 0, 2, something like that. It's just one element, but it is in 2 dimensions. So anything above 1 dimension, we are considering multi-dimensional array. Okay. Now, if we have found, what we will write? Element found, right? Element found. Now, shall I put Boolean value as false, flag as true or false?
True.
True. Okay. Now, shall I break?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we are breaking which loop here? This loop or this loop?
Only for second.
Okay. Only just first second loop. If we want to break the first loop also, how we can break them? What we have to use here?
Need to add one more break.
Yeah, we can add break, but if we just add break like this, no, let's say after this for loop, if we just add break, will it find, will actually find the element?
No, I think.
No, right? See, wait, I'll tell you. See, I equal to 0, I less than 1, it will execute something here. It will break. It has to find an element B of J. It can be in 0, 1, or it can be 1, 1. When I value becomes 1, it has to go to another loop, right? So this one basically is B01, B02, B03, that's it. If B is 1, 2, 1, 3, it will not work. So basically, if I go to Excel, right? Again, I'm going to Excel. My logic I can explain. So it will only search, the J loop only will search these values. Okay. What if the element what I'm searching is here, which is 1, 2. This 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. This is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. The element is 1, 3. Okay. Now, if I just give break, will it search or will it come out of the entire for loop?
It
There
will
should be
come
some
out.
condition, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll explain the condition. Don't worry. Don't panic, guys. The condition should be again the same value, flag. If flag equal to true, only if it is true, then break. So if it is only one line, no need to give open bracket, close bracket. It will work. If it is more than one line, we have to give the body open bracket, close bracket. Now, this you understood? This you understood? No? No? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, let me write the program from the beginning. Explain. Okay. Now, this will break the for loop, but only if the flag is true, which will come from here. Okay. Now, if I want to just to see if and else condition, one more if I'll write. Okay. If flag equal to true, I will not break it because break will not work outside the loop. I'll just write this out. ELE found. Okay. If I'm writing one value, no need for what? Open bracket, close bracket. It's out. ELE not found. Okay, let me run this. I'll explain the program from the beginning. Don't worry. Okay, let me run this. Let me expand the loop here. Okay, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 2. How many values? 4.
4. Yeah.
Okay, now enter the element you want to search. Let's say I want to search 50. Okay, now enter the elements in array. So 1, 50, 30, 87. See, 4 values you have got. Element found. Okay, this is positive scenario which we found 50, and this is the 50 we want to search. Okay, let us see for negative scenario. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 2. I want the element search to be 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Element not found.
Yes.
At least the answer you understood, right? Okay, let me explain the program. Okay, let me explain the program now. So I think till this point, till 27 line, everyone understood, right? Or this one also I have to explain. Okay, till 27 line, everyone understood. Okay, so this is again the movie ticket value, the ninth wala. We're going for a movie theater. First day, first show. We don't know whether we'll get a movie or
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಆಡ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Anna, have to mute yourself. Okay, so the ninth one is again we're going to a movie theater. We don't know whether movie will get it or not. Now, let us come to this particular thing which we are not understanding. Now, should I write if condition inside the second loop or first loop?
Second loop.
Second loop.
Now, why you tell me second loop? Why, if you have understood, why you have to write in second? Will this work in first loop? See the error here? Means what? J itself is not there. After this only we are running a J loop to make sure we find this. It's a two-dimensional array. It should have B0, 0, B0, and etc.
Yes.
So it should only work in second after the second loop.
Second.
No. If this Z is nothing but we are searching an element. We are dynamically asking the user which element to search. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you have understood this, you have understood this totally fine. Now, again the same concept, element found, because it matches. Now, since we have like 4 elements, second element is matched. Should we check for third and fourth element, or should we come out?
Should we come out?
Should we come out? We should come out, right?
We should-
Okay. Oh, you're okay. We should. You're asking me or telling me? I'm not understanding that. Okay. Anyway, you are telling me. I understood that much. Okay. Now flag equal to true. Why we are setting flag equal to true here? What exactly is the flag? Boolean variable.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Boolean variable will have how many values?
2 values.
Two
True,
values.
true or false, right?
Hmm.
If we are not giving true, the value in the entire flow will be false only. You understand that? If we are not changing the value, see, it's not a final variable. See, final static variable, we cannot change the value. But it's a simple data type, and it's a simple variable. If we give false, in the program, we can change the value to true. We cannot give 1 or 2 because it's a Boolean value. Now, you tell me 34th line break, what exactly it does? What exactly it does?
It
34th
deletes
line
the
break.
list.
If a
Sorry?
element is found, it is breaking the iteration.
Iteration. Which iteration of the loop? Which loop?
Second loop.
Second.
Second loop, J loop, right?
Yes.
Basically J loop only. Now, the power of this chief minister is only in Karnataka. This chief minister cannot have power in the entire, maybe he cannot have power in Andhra, the entire India. Now, for this guy to have a power in Andhra Pradesh, he has to call to Andhra CM. Same logic. Now, if I just put break here without having a condition, what it will do? Tell me. Now, this one is not there, guys. Okay, I'm just putting break. Will it work or not?
It will directly break, sir, without looking into condition.
Yeah, it will directly break. What exactly it will search? I value will be 0 here. Okay, and if upper limit is 2, it will only search elements 0, 0 and 0, 1. Okay, what if I want to search 1, 0 and 1, 1? This will not be searched because I value 1, it will not happen because directly we are coming out of this main loop. That is the reason why we want our loop to check this also, because let's say in 0, 0 I have put 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I want to search 3? If you put directly break, these 2 elements are not searched at all. That's why we are checking for condition. Understood 37th line, why we are adding condition? No?
Please tell once again, sir.
Okay, sure. Okay. So let's go for very basic. Now, here upper limit is 2. Okay. X value is 2. Okay. Now tell me, what is the I value here?
0.
0. Okay. I equal to 0. Now, will it go to 30th line?
0 less than. Yes, it will go.
Right. 0 is less than 2, right?
Yes.
It will go 30th line. Now, okay.
Yes, yes.
So J value is 0 in the first. Okay. Y value is 2. Okay. Now J value is 0. Okay. Now, you tell me what are the elements it will search. So B of 0, 0,
B of 0.
0, 0.
0 of 0. And what will be another element? B of I comma j, right? What is I value?
I value is 0, sir.
Ah, then j value will become 1, right?
1, yes.
1.
Okay. Don't think about the condition yet. So these are two things it will search, right? Okay. Let's say our element is somewhere between B of 1 of 1. This is our element to be searched. Okay, this is the element we'll see in future. Now, it will search for the element found. First, it will see the condition. If condition itself is not true, what it will do? Break the loop?
Yes.
Okay. So breaking the loop is this one. As soon as you break the loop, what is happening? Break, right?
Yes. It's
Right.
breaking the
See,
first loop.
I see. It will search for B00, B01, and the condition is not true. It will go outside of the J loop.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. As soon as you go inside the J loop, what is there? 38th
Break.
line. Break. Okay. Will it come out of the main loop also, or will it go for next iteration?
It will come out of that.
Right? Did you ever check these two? 1, 0 and 1, 1.
No.
So is our code correct or wrong? Did never check for these two, right?
This. Yes.
Okay. What if our element is here? It is we can find, but it is still not a right code. It has to check all the elements. In between, if it finds, it has to break the loop. Okay. So I never gone to next iteration. You can see here. See, I plus plus a dead code because directly we are breaking it. It will see this one. It will go to this condition. Then body is executed. As soon as the body is executed, it finds break. This is never incremented. I value is never incremented. You're getting the logic.
Yes.
So now you tell me, I want to check this too. I want to check this too. Do I have to write a condition or not?
Yes, you have to write.
That is where this flag comes. Now,
Okay.
let's say in this first two elements, flag is still false because flag is kind of a variable we have decided here. Now, it will check for flag equal to true or not. It is condition is true or false. What is the flag value in the first iteration?
False.
False, right? So will it ever execute break?
No.
No, right? Then it increments. Then it will check 1 0 and 1 1. If element is in 1 0, it will break here and the flag will be true. And then it will come for 30th and 37th and 38th line. No? Then second iteration value becomes true. Then it will break the main. Okay. Now, okay, this is one scenario where it found the element. What if the scenario found element itself was not found? After this loop also, the flag will be false. Then we have to write this one outside the main for loop. If the flag equal to true, then only element found, or else element not found. Okay, this one actually we can delete it because we don't have to print it twice. We just have to print the else part.
Else part.
Okay, we are getting an error. If we are getting an error, just write open bracket, close bracket, and then we can write else bracket. Okay. Understood? Any doubts, guys? Come on. If you're not satisfied, ask me doubts. And if you're having doubt in this line, it's simple here. I'm just concatenating. It might be complicated. It's just concatenating with plus. Whenever the dynamic values are here, I'm just adding like this. Whatever the string values on display, I'm adding in double quotes. Only you see the double quotes. These are all the string values. Okay. Any doubts in this current matrix? 2 into 2 2-dimensional array. Any doubt? Everyone agreed? Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You followed this till this point. Okay. Good. If you have not followed, please watch the recording. Okay. So what if I don't want to? I want to what? Sort the array. Okay. I want to sort the array. Sort means what? Let's say I added 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. I want to sort in ascending order. Okay. Let me run it again. So let's say upper limit is 2, lower limit is 2. I want to search element 3. So I have like 1, 5, 6, and 2. Element is not found, but array is 1, 5, 6, 2. What I want properly 1, 2, 5, 6.
2, 5, 6.
There is a method called sort. Okay. I'll just write it here so that you can easily understand. I'm printing it the value here, right? I'm just adding it here. B dot. There is method. Array doesn't have a sort. How come? Wait, let me check. In Java. Am I confusing? Okay. So A dot sort will sorry B dot sort will work in JavaScript, but for here we have to use this one. Arrays dot sort of, we have to give the array value of B. Okay, this is how it will work in Java. Okay, now if this is just to make sure, one of the simplest question, if you want to sort how the value of an array. Okay, so let me run this. Set the upper limit to lower limit to. So I'll just I want element to 6 to be searched. So let's say I added 1, 7, 2, maybe 4. Cannot cast to class bootstrap. Did I add one more extra? Okay, I gave space. Okay, wait, let me run it again. Premise 2, lower premise 2, element to search 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, can't cast. Okay. We are not able to cast, then we have to print in different ways, right? Okay. So you remember casting, guys? Okay. What was okay? Let me show you an error again. You tell me where you will find this. 2, 2, element to search 3, 1, 5, 2, 7. See, it is giving an error. See, this is little different. I'm just telling you if error comes, how we'll understand it. So it is telling us, where is that cast wala? Class cast action. You remember the casting wala upper limit to lower limit? Right. When you sort it, you have to convert it to a different array. Okay. So let me print the value, but let me print it like this. So I don't want this 26th and till this point. Let us put this one. Okay. I'll just solve it out, guys. Okay. Let us say started array. Again, arrays. You remember what is arrays wrapper class? When you say arrays, integer dot parsing, something like that, remember? Okay. So arrays dot, there is a method called toString. We'll see more of this in string of B. Okay. So now if I run this, what will happen? Let's see. Upper limit is 2. Let me expand it. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 2. And this is dummy only. So I'm just adding 1, 9, 3, 6. Again, we are getting. Did I print it properly? Two string only. It isn't a new index. Okay, maybe we have to run in try catch. Huh? We don't have to run in try catch. I did print as a string of numbers. Okay, let me check into that. I don't know why it's not printing it. Okay, so apart from this, guys, okay, I'll come up with a sort. Don't worry, it is a little advanced concept. We can see in the strings also. That's not an issue. Okay, so till this point, understood, guys? Till this point, understood? Good. Okay, good. So I'll put this one also program. Okay, in the chat. Okay, just to make sure you guys can understand. You guys can take this thing. Okay, so we have a number of programs in array. Okay, so today you go and practice. Okay, I'll give you few programs. Okay, for 2-dimensional array, how to add it. If it is tough, just ping me. Is it okay? Or you want to write the same programs? Okay, chalo. I'll give you the same programs for you to understand. So we still have time. Okay, I just wanted to write the string notes, but before that, I'll give you one program, same programs. Okay, and you're finding an element. Okay, so finding an element, I have already written. Just do the sum of array values of 2-dimensional array. This is 2-dimensional. Okay. Sum of array values, the first one. What was the second example I gave in the 1-dimensional? Second program to test.
Search element of an array.
Search already we have done today. Apart from that, what we have did?
A reverse value of array in reverse.
Yeah, reverse a array. Reverse an array, 2-dimensional. Okay. You want to run a matrix? So matrix will take a little bit of time. Okay, try to do a matrix. I think matrix program is there. Okay, you can use any one program using a multi-dimensional array only. 2-dimensional array, you can use 2 only. That is better. In a 2 only, you can add a matrix program. It is very, very easy, guys. I think I have added the program, matrix program you do. Three problems, okay? So reversing of an array, sum of an array, matrix program using multi-dimensional array. I think my matrix I have added in the code. For me to explain, it will take a little bit of time. I don't think we're doing more than 11, right? So it might take half an hour. So if you're not getting, I'll tell in the tomorrow's class. But for now, till this point, you understood, right? Whatever I have explained.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. So I'll stop this share. Okay. Now Let me share the string one, string concepts. So this is the second one. What we're going to do, just write the notes for now. We'll see in tomorrow. Okay. So write the notes. I'll share the entire screen. This is array. So array, I've given n number of examples, guys. So please do follow arrays, the very important concept. So don't worry if you guys are not getting it. Ask me questions. I think people have reached out and I really appreciate them. Okay, if you're not understanding, just watch the entire recording. Okay, start writing the strings in Java. Okay, and write till the string s1 equal to hello. Sorry, Ruchi, I just saw your message in the group. Did you join little late? Is it?
Yeah, I joined like 30 minutes
I'm really
late.
sorry.
No,
I
it's
didn't
okay.
see I was sharing the screen.
Okay.
Okay, but please watch the 30-minute recording. If you don't find, and if you find issues, then please ping me. Okay,
Sure,
please
sure.
ping me. I'll explain you.
Sure.
Offline, don't worry on that concept. Anyone, not only Ruchi, anyone, guys. Like if you don't understand, array strings are very important. Then it will come collections and all. Please write the programs, guys. Okay, let me know if you find issues.
Thank you, Azir.
Problem? Let me know when you're done, guys. Done, guys. Okay, let me go a little further. Okay, this is how, if you remember a little earlier, so I'll explain how we can write a string value. Since string is a class, we can assign a value 2 times. Done?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let me know when you're done. Okay. Okay, let me share it again. Done till this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, right till this point, example. Done, guys? So let me put it down, little down. Right from the reason and string methods. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you have written till the lower case, right?
Yes.
So write with other names. Method to uppercase equals head. These are all the methods of the string. Write one by one. So let me know when you're done. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Just make sure you write the programs and try to write a simple matrix program by using a multi-dimensional array. Try it. I think it's already there in the notes. I'll also add the string notes in the WhatsApp group and also in the notes section of the drive. Okay. Uh, okay, let's stop. I think it's already 11 o'clock. Let me stop the share.
Yeah, Azhar, I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Array is mutable, right?
String is mutable.
String is immutable.
Sorry, string is immutable.
Yeah. Array is mutable, right?
See, mutable is, see,
We can change the
string is an
value.
object. Sorry, go on.
Mutable means we can't change the value, right? If you are trying to change the value, means it will create the new object.